before we begin, as you all know, we must wash our hands before we cook anything. And here are your ingredients: vanilla, milk, ground cinnamon, 4 pieces of bread, and 1 egg.
Oh look, it's magic. It's already measured out.
There's 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 egg, as well as our already 4 pieces of bread.
Step 1, beat the egg. Okay. It's not working.
What are you doing?
I'm beating the egg.
You have to crack the egg open first.
I knew that. I'm just testing you.
Okay.
It's all together now.
What are you trying to do? Are you testing me again?
No, I'm just whisking, duh.
Well, why don't you try it with this side down now? Might work better.
Oh, I knew that. Oh wow, that worked a lot better. Thanks.
And now you grab the griddle, you plug it in, you turn it on, and you heat it up. Dip the bread on one side into the egg mixture, and then flip it over onto the other side and make sure that all parts of the bread are covered. Once the side of the toast facing the skillet starts to turn brown, it's time to flip. And flip. Once the second side is done, pull it off and put it on the plate with the spatula.
Yum.